welcome to my lovely YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to know how to get 4,000 hour watch time easily. Tips and tricks on how to get 4,000 hour watch time. Yeah, I know it's very hard to get 4,000 hour watch time as a new YouTuber, and also how to get 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I know that it's very hard. It's not easy. But you know, when you said 28 days to get 4,000 hour watch time, it seems like it's impossible. No, it's not impossible. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible, but it has its own tips and tricks on how to do it. So I will list everything step by step on how you follow to get 4,000 watch time hour in YouTube. First step is live stream. Live stream, going live on your YouTube channel, will really help you attract more watch hour and also subscribers. It will help you to attract more watch hour to your YouTube channel. Live stream helps to grab more audience to your YouTube channel. When you go on live on YouTube share your live video to many more people, even those who subscribe and those who are not subscribed to your YouTube channel. Visit your channel to watch the video due to YouTube share it to more viewers and more audience. And secondly, if you're a new YouTube channel and I'm not really sure if you'll be able to go on live. You know why? Before you'll be able to go on live stream on YouTube, you need to reach 100 subscribers. You need to reach 100 subscribers, yes, before going live on YouTube, because that's the YouTube policy. That's how YouTube sets it generally to all countries. It's worldwide. It's set generally worldwide. Secondly, live stream. Like live stream, you can go down and research on that one on Chrome. It has its own app. When you go down, when you research it on Chrome, you'll know more about that. But let me just tell you a little thing about live stream. Live stream is it's an app that will help your live stream video to go longer. It extend your watch time hour. It helps your video or your live standby to stay almost forever on YouTube. Like when you use the app and you used a clip from your video, not even your video, you use a clip from your video and you add it into the app, then the live stream will keep the video steady for like 24 hours, which is a day. So when people are viewing it, people keep on coming and going out, coming and going out, coming and going out. Even though they view for 1 minute or they view for 5 seconds, YouTube will add it together and count it in your watch time hour direct. Yeah. The third thing you need to add to your YouTube channel to get the 4,000 hour watches is a long-term video. Yeah, you need to be adding a video that is up to 15 minutes, 20 minutes. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, long-term video really helps to attract more viewers on YouTube, and it helps to attract watch time hour. Because when you add a 1 minute video or 4 minutes video, if someone view it, the duration of the video is even lower. Even though you got 1,000 views on a 1 minute video, and check it on a 4 minutes video, you'll see that there is a difference between the two. So you need to be adding a long-term video, because long-term video will help in grabbing the watch time hour for your YouTube channel. The fourth thing that you need to add to your YouTube channel is always make research before you upload a video. Research is that one is very important. It's very important because it helps the YouTube algorithm to get your channel and shift it to more viewers. Researching is very important in YouTube. When you make your research, you see the trending thing for that time, the trending thing for that moment. Then you use the keywords. But when you're using a keyword of a popular video, don't use exact keyword that they used on their video. Keyword, what I mean by keyword is like their topic, their headlines. When you are using someone headline, don't use exactly headline he or she used on his or her video. You can change some little things and add another things to yours. Like, for instance, someone used a headline, right? And the person wrote, how I got 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. If you want to put your own, like, just add something to make it look different from the person headline. Actually, the last of all that I'll tell you now is sharing your video to other social media platform. That one really help also. Like, if you have a Facebook page or Instagram or TikTok, or you have a friend who do so, like, make sure you copy your Facebook link, your video link, then share it to other platform, because it helps to grow your audience. When other people from other platform are watching your Facebook video, it improves the view, and the view helps to improve your watch time on your YouTube video. I will show you a little video on, like, I want to show you a proof now on the screen. You see a proof that shows how I got my own 4,400 watch time on YouTube, to show that it's not a lie. I got it within the space of 28 days. I'll put the proof on the screen right here, and you all will see how I got it. And also, I also got 1,100 watch time hour on YouTube within the space of 7 days. So this didn't seem so hard as how you expected it to be. I'll explain it more and make sure that you guys really understand it. And do so to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Please don't forget to subscribe. Comment if you have any question. You can go to the comment section, then you drop your question there. I'll go through the comments, and I'll answer everything. I'll put another video that will enlighten and help you to understand it easier on how to get the 4,000 hour watches on YouTube.